Now comes the 20 vowel sounds. So these vowel sounds are divided into monothongs and diphthongs. Okay, monothongs and diphthongs. Mono means one. So it's going to produce only one sound. So that is why it is called monothongs. Whereas diphthongs, die yani two. It will produce two sounds. So in monothongs, the vowels are divided into short vowels and long vowels. Your child is already aware of these 5 short vowels, like you have a, e, a, a. What all I wrote here is nothing but the phonetic symbols that will be shown in the dictionary, but you need not have to worry about this. We will come across only this one, so I'm stressing more upon here. So here, this 5 is aware. Now, here again you have one single vowel, that is U, but it doesn't make the sound as A. It makes the sound as U, short U. Put, U sound, not a sound like here. Bull, book, U sound. Now here this is something called schwa sound. It makes a very little sound, a very shortest sound you can say, like a, doctor, a, paper, a. You could hardly hear that sound. It is very shortest sound, paper, a, above, a, above, paper, a, doctor, a sound. Now comes the long vowel sound. Long vowel sounds are nothing but the original name of the alphabet. When you hear the original name of the vowel, then it is called as the long vowel sound. It will be represented in the dictionary either by the 2 dots or by the 2 triangles. Then we say it's a long vowel sound. Like you have here card, start, heart. It's a long sound. Art, C, E sound, C. It's the name of this alphabet, E. Long sound, tree, please. Next you have is sound. Something like UR sound is coming here. Bird, bird, girl, girl, early, sound. And here you have as O sound, O, tall, O, tall, all, tall, for, for, O sound, O, more, O sound, O, more. Next we have is like two, U sound is coming, U, blue, U sound is coming, food, food, we don't say food, food, U sound is coming. So these are some long vowel sound. Now comes the diphthongs. Diphthongs, here di means two. So it's like a two sound. Like you have here a syllable containing 2 letters in which a new vowel sound is formed by the combination of both the vowel sounds. Like you have O and U here, and it's going to make the sound as ow. Like short A sound sliding into the U sound. So for this I have given a detailed description of that so that you can just read it and can make a sound of it. Short A sound, the sound of A, and it enters into the U sound. So it is now, ow, how, our. Likewise, the next is you have EA, both are vowels here. But the sound they make here, near, Like here, E sound, long E sound. Long E sound is nothing but the original sound of the alphabet, like you have E here. And it enters into the sound. So it is near. E sound is coming and sound is coming. Near. Beer. Here. The next you have here OU, OO and UE here. These three are vowels. But the sound they are making here, tour, poor. So you could observe that a short O sound, the sound of short O is O. And it slides into a schwa sound. Schwa sound, a shorter sound, a sound like tour, tour, poor, sure. Now next we have AI. All are vowels here, but the sound they make air. Here air. You could hear a long A sound. A sound is coming and it slides into the sound. Air. Hair. A sound is coming. Bear. Now next you have is AI. So they are making the sound as may. A sound. A. So you're getting the sound as A and E. A. A. Say. E sound. Long E sound. E. Long E sound is nothing but the original name of the alphabet. E. May. Say. So you're hearing the A, E sound here. Say. Today. Next we have is OY and OI. Here OI and OY vowels. Now how they are making the sound? Boy. O sound is coming. Long O sound is nothing but the original sound of the alphabet as O. Oi. Oi. Long E sound and slides into the long E sound. Like so you have as OE. Boy. Toy. Oil. Now next we have is Y sound. Y. I sound is coming here. Long I sound sliding into the long E sound. The sound of Y at the end of a word. Sky. I is the long sound of I is nothing but I, the name of the alphabet. Sky. 5. So now next we have is OL. Here O and L, two letters here that are making the sound as long O sound. Long O sound is nothing but O, the original name, and it slides into the oo sound. Old. O and slightly entering into the oo sound. Old. Cold. Gold. So this is the end of the vowel sound. So you have observed that we have 7 short vowel sounds and 5 long vowel sounds, and these are the diphthongs, that is 8. So both of them makes 12. 12 plus 8, 20 vowel sound, whereas here you have some 24 vowel sounds. So these pics I'm going to keep in my video so that you can refer it anytime. So you might have observed that it's a bit tricky, yes, so it's difficult for the kids, but for them to make it easy, I'll come up with some new guidelines for them to make their reading and writing part more easy in my upcoming videos. So please watch them, and thanks for watching. And if you have learned at least a single thing out of this lesson, please do like and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Goodbye.